So guys, today's question is largest three same digit in a string. Okay, so question was saying that you are given a string name as a num representing the largest integer. If it is a good string if it meets the following condition. Like first, it has a substring of length 3 exact. They mentioned the length has to be a 3 and have only unique character digit 1. Only one means if it is like a 3-digit string 777, all the characters are has to be a same, and we just have to return the maximum good integer. Okay, so let's see on the tablet. The question was saying that we are given a largest we have to find the largest string of length 3. Like this is our input and we have to find the largest, and in this case the answer will be 3777. So there are like so many strings, like one string, two, three, four, and but in all of them this can be our answer because all the characters are same. This can be our also answer because the all characters are same, but this is the largest. Also this is also valid, so we just need to traverse on this string and calculate which is the greater. Okay, so if the we have to calculate three slot of three. Okay, so first we have to calculate this, then we have to calculate this and kind of like this. Okay, so for 0 index we can calculate this, for this index we can calculate this, but for the last index we can't calculate next two. So we just need to go whatever the length. Like let us consider our string was 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we need to calculate the three slot, one slot, two slots and three slot. Okay, so if the length of the string was like n, in this case it was like 5, so we just need to calculate it three times. So we just minus 2. Okay, so we just need to calculate by n minus 2 times. Okay, we can run a loop and calculate for 2 times. Okay, and the basic idea is to just go and compare this. Okay, so if it is a valid in the sense all three character has to be same, so we can make a function called as valid. It will take a input like string 677, and it check if it 6 is equal to 7 equal to 7. Okay, so if it is true then it will send us true, otherwise it will send us false. So at every moment we just need to check if it is true or if it is valid or not. Okay, so for that we can check if it is valid or not. Okay, for this we check with this every time we have to check, and if it is valid then we have to check with our answer. If it is greater than our current max then we have to update it, and like this is the valid string, this is valid string, this is valid string, but we can't update all. We just have to update when the string is valid and it is greater than our current max. Okay, so let's see now in the code. Okay, so first of all there are two things also. So if you have like 777, if it is valid then how we will calculate is numerical value. There are two ways. In Java there is function called integer dot parse int, but if you don't know then we can just take the number x by taking this character and minus it with 0. So the ASCII value of 7 minus 0, we will get 7, and like 777 is nothing but 700 plus 70 plus 7, right? And 70 is nothing, 700 is nothing but 7 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 7, right? So we can do that uh, to get the number. Okay, so the number is 777 and we can check it with our current max. Okay, current max is 0, and if it is greater than our max, so we can update the value. Now check this out in the code. So we just need to find the answer, right? So our answer is like -1 because 0 is also a valid string. Okay, and our like max, for now the max is -1 and our answer is empty string. Okay, and we can run a loop from 0 to num dot length -2 because we have to check for string which are of 3 lengths. Okay, so we now need to calculate the number, right? Like x, we have to if we have to check if it is a valid. Okay, if string substring and string it like string is nothing but substring, right? So num dot substring of length 3. Every time we have to calculate the like 3. If it is I, then I plus 3 this, and if it not calculate, consider the last value. That's why we get 3 elements. Okay, and if it is valid, if valid of str, and we can write the function now, right? We can write boolean function now, boolean valid. It just take the string and return if it is valid or not. We just have to check if it is equal to first element and second element has to be same, and same like that for first and second. Okay, so first and the second index, it means that like we have string like 7 7 7, so it will check 7 is equal to 7 and also check 7 is equal to 7, and if it is true, it will return our true. Okay, if it is valid, and we need to check also for our number, right? So we just need to check like that pi, so -0, so we just remove its ASCII value, so we get our actual number. And how can we get it? Number is equal to x multiplied by 100 plus x multiplied by 10 plus x. This is our number. I'll already tell you in the tab. Okay, so now check it out. If it is, this is the number, and if it is valid, means the all three characters are equal, and also our max, this number is greater than our max, then we just need to update. Okay, so answer is our string. uh, uh, our string is the answer, and our max become number, right? And we just need to return our answer now. Let's see if it is work. Okay, so okay, it is string, sorry, my bad. And also this is not s, this is num. Let's see it works or not. Okay, so what they're saying, G, okay, my bad, spelling was wrong. Now it is going to run fine. Okay, so if you like the video, then like it.